Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Jen reading for Aquarius Sun, Moon and Rising for the month of August. If it resonates with you, please keep watching. If it doesn't, you can book a set of personal reading. The information is in the description box below. Let me see what's up with I'm an Aquarius, guys, and I'm super excited for this reading. I want to see what's up with my beautiful Aquarius Sun, Moon and Rising for the month of August. Please tell me what's in store for my Aquarius Sun, Moon and Rising for the month of August. Please tell me what's in store for my Aquarius Sun, Moon and Rising for the month of August. Holding on. Please tell me what's up with my Aquarius Sun, Moon and Rising. Your energy has struck here. Okay, one more card, please. Please tell me what's up with my beautiful Aquarius Sun, Moon and Rising. Month of August. I do see Aquarius. A lot of you for the month of August are quite burdened. You guys are, I mean, it could either be your money, it could either be some passion that you're working on. I do see a lot of you are, really thinking about your money. A lot of you are thinking about the competition in your field. A lot of you are, literally like sort of really tired of working on something, but you're not giving up, you're holding on. A lot of you are also really focused on your healing. Just a lot of you, I can also see that a lot of you are literally looking at your money and looking at where could you possibly invest that money. A lot of you are in also a phase of regret wherein you just realize that you've not really done the right or the productive things with your money. I do see that happening. For a lot of you, this phase is also about a lot of healing. I do see Aquarius that a lot of you are, taking a step back. A lot of you are also sort of, realizing that you need to fix the abundance blockages within. You need to fix certain blockages within so that you can manifest the life of your dreams. This is sort of an exciting phase, Aquarius, because I do see that this is not the place where you're starting from scratch. This is not even the place where you're ending the war. You are just in the middle, like the hustle phase, wherein you're doing what it takes to get where you want to. Like you're ready to fight your demons, you're ready to fight the circumstances, you're ready to invest, your money in the right direction, you're ready to fight the competition. There are places that are confusing, there are places that you have two minds about. But I do see Aquarius, I do see that you guys are persistent. You guys are, you guys are just like there to fight it all. At the same time, for some of you, I'm also receiving that some of you were, dealing with somebody who really loved playing games, and all of a sudden you just hit a point where you're like, okay, am I investing my time in the right place? I do see Aquarius that for a lot of you right now, your time is literally money. I do see that for a lot of you, your time means a lot to you, and you're not ready to really waste it because you realize that life is short and you gotta, make it big, you gotta make it large, you gotta achieve your dreams, and in no way you will be able to, in no way you can afford, people or love situations wasting your time. I do see that a lot of you are also looking for stability. So anyone who's coming around you with a malintention, or anyone who's coming around you with the intention of wasting your time, you're literally, you're just like, okay, don't fuck with me at this point. I'm like, I cannot afford this. So I do see that, Aquarius. I really like the phase that you're not in, actually. I mean, this is the roadway to the mountain peak, the roadway that you're at, and I really, really like it. Aquarius, if this reading is resonating with you, please hit on the subscribe button. And meanwhile, I'll dive deep into the emotions of the person that you're dealing with. If this reading is resonating with you, please hit on the subscribe button. I also see, Aquarius, that for some of you, your options are open and you're quite confused as to which one would make it by your side. And yeah, that's quite amazing. Okay, let me see. Let me dive deep into the emotions of the person my Aquarius are dealing with. Please dive deep into the emotion of the person my Aquarius are dealing with in August. Please dive deep into. Please dive deep into the emotion of the person my Aquarius are dealing with. Tower shows again. Please dive deep into the emotions of the person. Oh my god, okay. That's some change. I do see Aquarius. For some of you, this is definitely a third party situation. I do see that Aquarius, the person that you all were dealing with, this person this person had their options open, and this person is also involved with somebody else, but all of a sudden the same person is really wanting to protect their emotions. I do see that they were definitely involved with two people, and for some of you Aquarius, if you all had left this person behind in the past, there could be a reconciliation coming, because both of you couldn't find like direction without each other. Some of you could have had kids with this person, and you all separated in the middle, like a very unpleasant change came, and now that's going to get sorted, and you guys could be really planning to catch up with each other and really discuss the idea of being with each other again. I do see for a lot of you Aquarius, the person that you're dealing with, some sort of really massive change has occurred in this person's life. Either you found out, I'm getting that either you found out that there was a third party situation and you sort of literally walked off, or you just sort of ghosted them, I do see, and that's really put them in a very disturbing sort of zone, and they are feeling really guarded right now, and they have an urge to protect their emotions. Okay. And I do see that even though there was a third party situation involved, this person was really carrying genuine emotions for you, and their options were open. I want to see why is this person taking emotions. I want to see why is Four of Pentacles here. Please clarify Four of Pentacles for me. Okay, give me one more card. Yes, Aquarius. The fact, I do see that some of you have literally you've maybe just left this person hanging. You've literally left this person out in cold, and you've left this person wondering as to what went wrong. You all are such intuitive people that you realize that something's up, and you just didn't ask for a valid explanation, and you just fucked off basically. And now the thing has, this person got really anxious, this person's got really restless, this person's got into in a retreat mode, and they're literally they want to just have a chat with you. I can literally feel the restlessness in my body. Man, Aquarius, you guys are dangerous. Do you realize that? First of all, you're not intuitive. Second of all, you all have that demeanor okay, you do you. And you don't even let other people know that you're letting them do themselves, that you're fucking off. You're not dangerous people. At least have the courtesy to let the other person know. So, set them free a little. I want to see what kind of... I do see that this person, Aquarius, sort of does realize that you may not come back to them, but they are still resisting that change. They don't want to let you go. They definitely don't want to let this happen. I'll still clarify the world in reverse. Please clarify the world in reverse. They don't want this cycle to end. They want to hold on. Give me one more card. Please clarify This person really wants to build with you, Aquarius. This person, really had these thoughts of, probably settling down with you or getting married to you or, building building fortune with you and all of those things. And now that you've just like literally vanished on them, this person is certainly feeling really rejected. This person wants, like, they're feeling really, really low in their energy because of this, Aquarius. I do see that happening. They're trying to talk to you, and they they really cannot accept the fact that you just like vanished on them like this, and that's also really bothering them. Well, Aquarius, please put this person's anxiety to rest and give them some valid explanation as to why you're doing what you're doing. You gotta do this, my good human beings. Even if they did you wrong, that doesn't give you the license to do them wrong, Aquarius. Like, you can walk off with a valid explanation. I want to see the outcome. If this reading is resonating with you guys, please hit the subscribe button and I will find out the outcome for you and your person for the month of August. Please give me the outcome for Aquarius and their person for the month of August. Dealing with an air sign, could be an Aquarius, Libra or Gemini, and some of you could be dealing with a water sign also. Could be Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer. Could be any sign as far as elements go. I do see, Aquarius, that Aquarius, you guys are first of all right now in your power. I do see for some of you there could be some new person walking in. For some of you there could be a fresh offer coming in, and you could be, literally using all your senses and you could be moving towards that person instead. For some of you, for others of you, this person could like come to you and let you know that, you know what, let's not dwell into what happened, and can we just like start afresh. I want to clarify this. Some of you are going to dive deeper into your work. Some of you are going to avoid every factor in life and just start working hard, just get into the hustle mode. Because you want to, you have miles to go before you sleep and promises to keep. I want to see why some of what's in reverse, please. Please clarify 7 and swords. Please clarify 7 and swords. One more card, please. I do see, Aquarius, that see some of you are literally going to, you literally have got to that point where you do not have time for BS. You don't have time for bullshit. So some of you are literally going to like, really step into your power and turn this person down and end this cycle with this person. And you're going to let this person know that, you know what, I really don't have time for this shit. I really don't have time for all the manipulation that you're throwing my way. For others of you, this cycle of manipulation is going to end, and the person that you're dealing with is going to man up and is going to really come out a better person, and is going to let you know that, I have genuine passion for you and I want to take this ahead. I do see that happening. Definitely some communication is coming your way, some offers coming your way. This person is going to open their heart to you. I want to see why is your wands in reverse. Please clarify your wands for me. Please clarify 3 wands. I do see Aquarius. See, first of all, of course, you all are hurt. I mean, you all are just like, okay, I have no interest in all of this bullshit. I'm not gonna deal with such bullshit when people throw such bullshit at me. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna literally like start focusing on your work, start focusing on your money. You're gonna like be in a single state of mind where you're gonna be like, okay, I gotta, I gotta like make up for all the time that I wasted on you. I do see that. I do see that energy. Aquarius, you all are such badasses. Oh my god! Like I love this vibe that you have. Like once someone messes with you all, these guys are done because then like they don't get to mess with anybody else for the next coming years. Fuck. That's what you've done to this person. Now this person wants to definitely talk to you. This person wants to be like, no, even though I was seeing them, you were my main person, and I wanted to build with you. But I do see Aquarius that you all are definitely not in that space of handling any bullshit. So some of you are just going to like keep them in your options maybe and keep them on a hook or something. I want to clarify why is Queen of Swords in reverse. Please clarify why is Queen of Swords. Please clarify Queen of Swords in reverse for me. Please clarify Queen of Swords in reverse for me. Queen of Swords in reverse. I do see Aquarius that this person has unfortunately activated your dark side, and now you're just like you are going to be like available to this person but also cold to this person. Like you're going to basically let them know that catch me before I fade. That's what your vibe is. That you know what, I've started walking on my path. I'm moving on, and if you want to like be with me, then you have to really chase me now because I do see that happening, Aquarius. Like that's what you're going to do. You're just going to be in your own space, doing your own thing. You're going to, be focused on your money. You're going to like want to end this cycle. You're going to want to end this cycle within, which has got you attracted to this person. So there's a deeper transformation coming in for you guys over here, and at the same time. You're going to be focused on your money, you're going to be focused on your wealth, you're going to be focused on your fortune. You want to make this fortune for yourself. You do realize finally your worth and your value. And yes, Aquarius, the ball is totally in your court. Good job, guys. I do see the kind of powerful move that you made here. And it's brilliant. I'm sending you guys a lot of love and light. I'll see you all next month.